NN Naturals, and today I would like to teach you how to make multi-purpose liquid soap. The recipe that I'm going to share with you is not for making organic soap. The multi-purpose liquid soap is chemical based, so you can use it as a dishwasher, you can use it to wash bathrooms, you can even use it to wash clothes. Even though we only make natural products at NN Naturals, personally I make multi-purpose liquid soap which I use in my house. I realized that I save a lot of money from buying detergents and liquid soap. Essence of this video is not for you to make liquid soap for commercial purposes. I'm just sharing my own recipe with you so that you can make your own soaps at home. This has become necessary because now that we have this coronavirus outbreak, there's shortage of soaps and washing products out there, and it occurred to me, like, if a lot more people know how to make their own soaps, perhaps they will not be so dependent on stores, especially at this crucial time when soap is a necessity in every home, because we're constantly washing our hands and trying to keep everywhere clean. So yes, that's the purpose for this tutorial. As you watch this tutorial, you would notice that my recipe excluded formalin from the formulation, and the reason is because formalin serves as a preservative. But because I'm not using this soap for commercial purposes, I excluded the formalin from the formulation because we're just going to use it at home. If you're learning to make this soap and you reside in Nigeria, anywhere in Nigeria, and you're struggling to get the ingredients that I've used in making this soap, you can always reach out to me, send me a comment, or reach out to me on any of our social media platforms, Instagram, or on our website, or phone, or through WhatsApp, because our contacts will appear at the end of the tutorial. Just send me a message that you would like to get the ingredients. I do not sell the ingredients, but I have a reliable supplier that can deliver to you anywhere you are within Nigeria. So I'll be happy to hear from you. So I'd like to show you the ingredients that you would need to make your multi-purpose liquid soap. The thing is, if you're going to make this soap at home, you need a place that is well ventilated, and then whatever utensils that you use, you will not be able to use them for the purpose of cooking anymore. So you're better off using containers that you're probably about to discard, or the ones that you will probably never use again. So you can understand why I'm using this chipped bowl. What I have here are bowls, yogurt bowls, that I'm using to mix the chemicals for today's tutorial. I have no use for them, and after today I'll most likely throw them away or reuse them again to make another batch of soap. So we're going to make 10 liters of multi-purpose liquid soap. You would always need your scale because you need to measure out your ingredients. I have my whisk here for mixing the ingredients. Safety first, so my nose mask is here. You would need thick hand gloves. The thing is, I sincerely can't find my hand gloves, so I'm using this one that has the thick rubber ending. So that's the reason why I'm using this glove. Or it's best that you use thick rubber gloves like the garden gloves. That's actually what you need. You will need your measuring cups to measure out your ingredients. You would also need, I have water here. What I have here is 4 liters of water. When you're making liquid soap, it's always best to add the water as you go. You don't want so much water at the beginning, because when the water becomes too much, then you're going to have very runny, watery liquid soap. So now, the most important ingredient that you will need in making liquid soap, you will need caustic soda. Caustic soda is known, well, the street name is caustic soda, but caustic soda is sodium hydroxide. It's a stain remover, or what you would call lye. So it's really important. So this is my caustic soda here. I always like to measure out my ingredients and have them properly labeled so that I don't make mistakes. You would also need SLS. SLS is sodium lauryl sulfate, and SLS is a surfactant. It's also a foaming agent. You would also need nitrosol, hydroxyethyl cellulose. It's a thickener, it's a binding agent, and a cleaning agent, so you need it. We also use STTP. STTP stands for sodium tripolyphosphate, which is a cleaning agent and a stabilizer. You would also need sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid, this is it, it's in liquid form. It's a cleaning agent and also a foaming agent. You would need color. So what I have here is orange. Please make sure you get water soluble and powder colors. So what I do is, powders can be quite messy. So what I normally do is I soak it in water, then I store it in a bottle. It's easier to dispense. It makes my job easier for me. Then of course, you will need perfume. What I have here is tangerine. Oh yeah, before I forget, you will need Texapon. Texapon is a thick chemical. Texapon is a foaming agent. So these are the key ingredients that you need if you have to make a multi-purpose liquid soap. The thing about the preparation is these 3 bowls here. You're going to pre-soak the caustic soda, the SLS, and the STTP in these bowls. When you pre-soak them, you're going to leave them for like 2 hours. So after you measure out the caustic soda, put it into the water. So what I have here is the sulfonic acid, Texapon, and the perfume. So what you're going to do is you're going to mix them up together. And mix them, just mix them up, and then later you put it into the begin mixing the chemicals together. And I'll be starting with the sulfonic acid, Texapon, and perfume mixture. So just do it in batches.